In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Turkish Airlines. If you want to view ticket prices in a different currency before booking a flight, Turkish Airlines makes that process fairly simple. Changing the currency can help you better understand pricing, compare costs, and avoid confusion when you're browsing fares from another country or region. To get started, open your browser and visit the Turkish Airlines website. Once the homepage loads, give it a moment to fully display all of the page elements. This is helpful because the setting you need is usually located near the bottom of the site, where regional options are often grouped together. Next, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the homepage. On many airline websites, this section includes things like language, country, and currency preferences, and Turkish Airlines generally follows that same layout. Take your time here and look carefully for the currency selector. It may appear close to the language or country setting, so if you don't see it immediately, scan that area slowly. Once you find the currency option, click on the currency drop-down menu. This will open a list of available currencies that you can choose from. Depending on your region, you may see options such as US dollars, euros, British pounds, Turkish lira, and possibly other supported currencies. Now select the currency you want to use. Make sure you choose the one that matches how you'd prefer to view prices while searching for flights or reviewing fare details. This can be especially useful if you're planning an international trip and want to budget in your local currency. After you make your selection, the website should automatically refresh. When the page reloads, the prices shown across the site will be updated to reflect the currency you selected. That means any visible fares, booking amounts, or related pricing information should now appear in the new currency instead of the previous one. If the change doesn't appear right away, a helpful tip is to wait a few seconds for the refresh to complete, or revisit the homepage and confirm that your selected currency is still active. In some cases, regional settings can affect what options are available, so the list of currencies may vary depending on where you're accessing the site from. And that's all it takes to change currency on Turkish Airlines. Once the correct currency is selected, you can continue browsing flights with pricing displayed in the format that works best for you.